Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to HMD Pulse Plus. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps. First of all, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, you need to tap on Not Now and choose OK, or hit OK right away. Then click on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android one. Then receive right next to Send on HMD. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got it in Here's some beep pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive. If you want to, you can also scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon above User Guide. Sorry, misclick. Over here. Then closing an ad and tapping on while using the app in the pop-up. Finally, you can scan your QR code and wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!